Hi, good morning everybody. Teacher Everson here once again with you. Today, usually in my videos I don't like to talk about sport. I don't talk about sport. I don't talk about politician because everybody is free to choose whatever they want, and I don't talk about religion. But today I'm gonna talk a little bit about religion, which is one pray, how to make a pray in English. You know, our pray we use in Brazil. In Brazil, we use this pray. I'm gonna write here the name. Pai Nosso. How can I say Pai Nosso in English? Our Father. O nosso Pai, sim, pode ser our Father. But what we're going to read today together is this: the Lord's Pray. Lord's Pray, ao pé da letra, está escrito aqui, ó. Pray é rezar. Lord é Deus, a oração de Deus. Para nós brasileiros, we have the Pai Nosso. So let's see the English version for Pai Nosso. Come with me. It's here. So I'm gonna zoom in for you to be able to read all together. So, join me. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. The kingdom come, thy will be done. On earth as in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. And forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Okay? Amen. Okay? So that is the only message that I have for you today. Thank you very much, and I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye. Take care.